Hello and welcome to Earlier on Ads channel. In this video, I will share my experience with Facebook ads restrictions and rejection. So before I talk about this issue, why Facebook team took almost 1 month to make a decision on my review. So what happened and how I contacted Facebook team. So before I begin, if you don't know me or if you are new in this on this channel, I run Facebook ads as a freelancer currently, and also at the same time I'm looking for a company to join. So the way I charge for Facebook ads, if you have more than $100 per month budget, I charge agency way of like 20% on ad spend. So I to take $20 from $100 if you spend $100 per month. So if you have less than that, I charge a flat charge, which is $15 per week. So yeah, this is how I charge, and ads creative is not included. If the ads, what do you call it, Facebook ads like images, if it's simple, then I will design it for you. But if it's complex and need a professional graphic designer, then I can hire you for your campaign. So this is how I charge. So now let's talk about Facebook ads restrictions and rejection. So if you don't know the Facebook algorithm, all these we have ads platform like Facebook ads, Google ads, Twitter ads, LinkedIn ads. This platform actually use AI and machine learning behind the scene, and they automate all of the tasks, and very few the team members involved in this issue. So it's all automated. So if your review gets stuck in that algorithm, then you should definitely contact a Facebook support team. So what happened to me that it was 2022, the month of Ramadan. During that month, I haven't run any Facebook ads of around 1 month. Suddenly, I got a message from Facebook that, hey, your business manager account got disabled or restriction got restricted. So I thought, what the heck? I didn't even run a Facebook ads since about 1 month, and I don't know how I got ads restriction. So I immediately submitted the request to review. So you will get a review section in the right hand side. So I clicked that and submitted that review, and I waited for a long time, and I couldn't get any response. I didn't get any response from Facebook team. So what I did, I started looking Facebook support team so that I can contact them and tell what happens actually. I did some Googling, and I found Facebook support team page. Then I click on that, and the automated messenger pop out, and if I remember, the guy name is Billy. Billy joined with me and explained everything, that how I got restriction. And he said, if you don't mind, can I call you? I said, yes, definitely, you can call me. Even I recorded his phone call from USA. But at the end of the conversation, I asked him, can I post this audio on my YouTube channel? He said, well, I have to ask to my senior that whether you can post or not. So what I immediately said to him that, okay, well, I will not post your voice recording because it can be a problem for you. Still I have a phone recording. He called me and explained everything, and he said, when I mentioned to him that previously I got ad rejections, so he said to me, it could be a reason that a lot of ad rejections, that's why you got a restriction on your business account. So he said to me, your review got stuck on our system, and I will appeal to one of my team member, and he will fix it. And I said, yes, okay. So he appealed, and after he said, keep refreshing the page after 1 or 2 days, and I keep refreshing. After 2 days, they made a decision that your business manager account got permanently disabled, and I was very sad. And what he told me also in the conversation that if you have a lot of ad rejection on your business manager account, you will get a problem. You can get a problem with your account. So he mentions 2-3 points that I would like to highlight here. It's very important to know that he said if you get a lot of ad rejection and restrictions on your ad account or on your business manager account, just remove the payments or remove all ads account associated with your business manager account, and just delete your business manager account and create a new one. So he said, just delete the business manager account and create a new one. So I said to him, well, but I cannot even delete my business manager account because of the issue is not solved yet. He said, if the issue got solved, you can delete then after. And after my account was disabled permanently, I cannot even delete the business manager. So what I did was I transferred the business manager account to one of my friend, and I got removed. So I got away with this. So this is number one. Second, you should never stop your Facebook advertising work because of business manager account. You can create a separate business manager account on your friend's account, and you can be admin of that business manager account, and you start working. So they allow you to do business manager account for one personal personal Facebook account. So this is what he said to me, that if you have a lot of ad rejections and or restrictions. So welcome on Aliran Ads channel. So finally, Facebook advertising team made final decision on my business manager account restriction. Actually, I got restricted on April 3, 2023. I was got surprised because I didn't run any Facebook ad manager since around 1 month because of the month of Ramadan was going. So I stopped all the stopped all the ads. I didn't have any clients, and so Ramadan month was approaching. So I decided, let me stop advertising on Facebook for a while. So I was very surprised that I got restricted on April 3, even though I didn't have any ongoing Facebook ads on my ad manager. So even though I got mail from Facebook team that my business manager account, which is only on ads, are restricted. So when I checked and the email, then it took Facebook advertising team actually 1 month to make final decisions. So I will tell you why it took almost 1 month. As you can see, I got restricted on April 3. And when I opened the email today, I got final decision on May 5, 2023. So first, let me show you the restriction email. So let me first show you the today's email from Facebook advertising. As you can see, 3:29 a.m. You can see to me 6 hours ago. Here it says, we have completed a review of your business account. And you can see here, this review found inauthentic behavior or violation of our advertising policy or community guidelines. So you will no longer be able. So actually they disapproved, or you can say they haven't accepted my approval. And as you can see, let me go to account detail. So this is today's message from Facebook Meta team, which is 3:29 a.m. 6 hours ago. And today is May 5, Friday. So you can see account restricted on April 2. Okay, and this is my Aliran ads. So here is the final decision. Your advertising access is permanently restricted. So my business account is permanently restricted, and as you can see, date requested, I requested on May 3. So it got restricted on April 2, and I requested on May 3, and today is May 5. It took 1 month to make final decision, and here what this means. To confirm it didn't comply with our advertising policy or others, you can no longer advertise with this business account. Its advertising asset will remain disabled. This is our final decision. So I had actually 3 ad account. As you can see, this one, Ramesh Dog Sender, which is my client. As you can see, this one. Currently, I am managing this page. So it's actually paid related. As you can see, I am the admin of this page. In the past, I have run ads for this page. Yeah. So I cannot do anything. So if I want to delete this business manager account, I cannot able to delete it. Let me show you. If I, here you can see, this business ineligible for this business is ineligible for this, so I cannot delete it. Even I can't leave this business. As you can see, if you remove so leave earlier on ads. Let me see. And you can see I cannot even leave it. So here it says this admin can't be removed. So because I am the admin, I cannot remove. If I want to delete this admin, I have to add another admin on this business account. Then I can remove this successfully. So what I will do after this video, I will add one of my brother Facebook ID onto this business account as admin. Then I will leave from here. So that will be fine. Because I was surprised. What I was surprised that I didn't even run the Facebook ad, but still got rejected from Facebook team. So that was curious to know me. So I approached one of the Facebook team member through Messenger. So let me show you in the message. Oh, I have no internet connection. So let me. Oh wait, I don't know what happened. So let me just wait. So yeah, my internet connection is back, and let me go to my profile. So let me see. So here is the message, and as you can see, I approached through their meta support. So as you can see, first these are automated messages, then okay, wait, so Billy has joined. So yeah, it is correct. I've listened, but no response. It has been around 3 weeks. So I submitted the article confirmation, but it was around 3 weeks, and I didn't have any response from Facebook. So yeah, so so here you can see, even I've sent the screenshot, and so here the Billy actually responded me, would that be okay with you if I call over the phone? So I said, okay, it's fine. So he called me actually. Even I recorded his this phone on my mobile, and at the end I asked him, can I upload this audio on my YouTube channel? So he said, I'm not sure, I have to ask my representative team. So at the end I said, if they will allow you, then send me a message. Otherwise, what I said was, I will not post because you can get into trouble. So yeah, actually I've talked on phone. So after that, yeah, so even I mentioned him, actually, Bill, I didn't even run the Facebook ad about a month, even though I got restricted on my business account without doing anything on Meta ads. So he said actually it could be a various reason, and I told him that previously I got also restricted on my ads, so within this business manager account. So but I got resolved two three times ad rejection. So what he said to me that yes, if you get several ads rejection, your business manager account get restricted. So this could be the reason, what he said to me. And what he said then after that, he said after when you resolve this problem, make sure you delete this business manager account and create another account. So what he was suggesting to me, that when you get more than 3 ads rejection on your business manager, what you can do simply is, when you get resolved, then just simply delete that business manager account. Otherwise you will get a big problem, because you know the Facebook method advertising is all automated, and it's a very rare case that they do it manually. So he said to me, I will appeal your request to the client. So I said okay. So then within 2 or 3 days, I started seeing my on account quality. As you can see, it's permanently restricted. So yeah, this is how you contact Facebook team. And let me show you when this actually I got restricted on April. It's March, and here you can see this is April 2. I got restricted, as you can see, April 2, and this is the email that they have sent me. As you can see, your business account has been restricted from advertising. So yeah, and what made me funny recently, just today, I saw ads from Meta ads. Let me show you. Where is the page? So let me go to about section. Let me find it again. Let me go to the yeah. Here is the website create and then add on desktop and also they have on security issue on meta ads on browser, so they posted this as a, you can download from here, desktop version or mobile. If password required, you can enter this one and you can continue. For now, they don't allow us advertise on browser because of some security issue. I cannot found the ads. Let me meta ads. Let me show you the ad. I have to find it. See on browser. Sorry, I can't find able to find it. So this is my business manager account got restricted on April 2, and then on May 5 they made a final decision. So this is the final decision. It's permanently restricted. So what I will do, I will make one of my brother Facebook account as admin on this Aliran Ads business account. Then I will leave this Aliran Ads business account, and my brother will be admin of this business manager account. So this way I could get rid out of this. So this is what you can do. Actually, Facebook algorithm is very tedious. As you can see, it took me around 1 month. And after when 3 weeks passed, I started having conversation with Facebook Meta business support. So yeah, what he told me to do is that after you got resolved, then just delete this business manager account. It could be reason that you have previous more than 3 ads rejection. So if you have more than 3 ads rejection on your business manager account, just get the backup and delete it. Otherwise, you will get in trouble. So what he suggested to me. So this is the conversation. I talked on phone. Actually, this all I recorded on my phone. I'm not posting the recording because of security issue. I have to respect it, our privacy policy. Even though he said, I'm not sure you can upload or not this recording. So yeah, he talked to me on phone. So this is how this advertising, Facebook advertising goes. It's actually very tedious to handle Facebook ads restriction. So because all these are automated, even though if you have the best ads and no policy against Facebook, yet you can still get a restriction or ban from Facebook, because everything online, almost this big science company like Facebook, Google, the system is almost automated. So yeah, behind their scene, AI is working, AI and machine learning is working. So very few times they do with manually. So actually my the request confirm identity request actually it was stuck in Facebook algorithm. So I talked to him on phone and he said it is stuck on our system and I will appeal to Facebook ads team. So yeah, this is how the Facebook advertising restriction you get, and this is how you approach. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. So yeah, thank you, and we will see you in the next video.